So these are the two palettes and these are literally identical. I mean, how we are gonna differentiate between these palettes? Seriously. Hello cutie pies, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, your beauty Dona here. So in today's video, we are going to do a comparison of Jaclyn Hill real versus fake. So are you guys excited? Because I'm super excited. I've just filmed my $1,000 Sephora haul. If you haven't watched that video, I will link that in the description and in the I button. You can go and watch that after watching this video. So for this video, I'm really very excited because I'm going to compare two products, which is my favorite thing to do, the real versus fake. I have already made a video on the real versus fake of Jaclyn Hill Volume 1 palette. Now it's time to do it for the new palette, which is Volume 2. So here are the both. So here we have both of the palettes. Can you judge which one is real or which one is fake? Okay, so let me introduce this to you. The fake one is this, which is a little bit smaller than the real one. You can see the size. This one is a little bit smaller and the original one is a little bit bigger. But I know if you have bought the palette from Amazon or eBay or from any other seller, you don't have the comparison and you cannot compare the size either. It's bigger or smaller, but I will tell you all the details which you can easily guess when you buy the product. So let's see on the back side. They both have same pictures, but can you see the quality of the picture? The original one has the very HD quality picture on the back side, whereas the fake one has a very bad quality image. And there's something I just noticed. This is the Jaclyn Hill palette and the second one is Jaclyn Hill. It doesn't have the N. Although the typography is completely same, I was just noticing that if it's same or not, and then I realized there is N missing in it. Well, they have made it really similar, and there are several dupes available in different markets, so it's not necessary that you will get the same which I have with the missing N. You might get with the similar packaging, so you can just guess it by all the hints I'm going to give you. Okay, so on this side we have the barcode and the address mentioned, whereas in the fake one we don't have any barcode anywhere. So this was all about the outer packaging. So now let's move towards the inner packaging. So these are the two palettes. Both came in the bubble wrap, but the quality of the bubble wrap is completely different. This is very protective kind of cover because this is the original one, and this is the fake one which has a very low quality bubble wrap. Okay, so when you will get your hands on the palette, you will feel premium when you have the original one, and the fake one really feels like a cardboard. It really feels like you have something like a cardboard in your hands. It's too light, and the original one is really heavy. Again, it's a comparison and you might not have both of the palettes in your hands, so it's really difficult for you. So I'll give you more hints. Okay, so let's just open the palette and just see what is inside. Okay, so both of them come with a plastic sheet, and again the quality in the sheets are different because one is fake and the other one is original. So yeah, so here we have both of the palettes. So these are the two palettes and these are literally identical. I mean, how we are gonna differentiate between these palettes? Seriously. Okay, so here are the shades and they are literally identical. But one thing which you can see is the depth in the pen. These are not really deep, but these are very deep in the pen. But this time, I guess they have made it very carefully. And because the last time I was reviewing the product of the volume 1, they were really looking fake, but these are actually difficult to judge. This time they have come up with the shade names, which is really amazing. I love using the shades with their names, so it's really nice. And the one shade which I really like in the swatches is this, the second one, the shade mint, because it looks white, it turns into purple, it's a holographic kind of shade. So let's swatch this. I am swatching this from the fake one, and let's see how it goes in the original one. Fake one, original one. Oh my god, both of these are giving the same results. This is amazing. The last time I reviewed the volume 1 palette, that was also very shocking for me to see that the fake one was having better pigments than the original one, or at least they were compatible. Some of the shades were really trash, but some were good. And this was the shade which I really wanted to try, and that's why I got this palette. I'm really feeling bad because the fake one has the same holographic effect. I don't know how, but it is what it is. So let's see more shades. Okay, so the thing which you can differentiate is the packaging the most, because it has a magnet traces here on the fake one, but whereas on the original one we don't have these kind of traces of the magnet on the palette. The original one will give you a definitely a premium look if you feel like this is kind of cardboard, and it is turning like I can even twist it. But on the original one it feels like if I will try to twist it, it will break. It doesn't have that kind of flexibility. Whether it has, I hope you can I hope you can understand what I'm trying to explain. I just want to make you guys able to judge that if your product is original or fake, so that you won't waste your money. So far, the one shade which I have seen quite different is Dance Party. Okay, so the Dance Party is the shade this pink shade. On the original one it's kind of fuchsia pink, and this is kind of dull pink. Okay, so the secret in making these shades, the nude shades are very easy to get the pigments, but when it comes to the shades like neons, it's not easy to get the pigment like original. So I don't think that the fake one can make the similar shade like the neon we have in the original one. I hope these people are not gonna prove me wrong this time. Let's see. Okay. So we will try the tipsy girl from the fake one and then the tipsy girl from the original one. Okay, so I am going to try the fake one here and the original one here. Okay, so it's very buttery creamy and there is a very visible difference. So this time I'm not proven wrong. Let's see the swatches. The fake one and the original one. Here is the visible difference. Visible difference. So yeah, this is very bright and this is not even giving the pigment out. Right, and the other shade, which is a very bright orange, this a neon kind of orange, The shade name is My Man, and both of these shades are quite different because it's not that bright. When we compare the nude shades and the shimmer shades, they are very similar. But when it comes to these bright shades, they just failed. So let's try the My Men. This is the fake one, and this is the original one. I don't even need to swatch this. I mean, can you see the difference? It's really visible. I'm glad that it's visible. Okay, I am going to swatch it here. This is the fake one, and now it's the turn to see the real. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. The originals are really great. So, in this case, I would say that purchasing the fake one is really a bad decision. It's just a trash. The real one is the real one, and the quality is very, very, very different. So it was all about this video. I hope you like it. I hope you like the comparison. So if you like it, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So, and please comment if you want to see any other video, any suggestions, any recommendations, whatever you want to interact with me, you can comment down below. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.